I'm Dr. Vamsi Singaraju. I do sports medicine and joint replacement surgery. That puts me in a unique group of surgeons who are able to advise patients about cartilage restorative procedures and osteotomies from the sports medicine division and the transition of their care in the future to a joint replacement surgery if needed. People from all walks of life walk into our clinic. I think that's one of the challenges as well as the exciting part of an orthopedic clinic. I could have a collegiate athlete eager to get back to sports after an ACL tear, or I could have a retired school teacher. All they want is to be able to walk within their community. Patients have a lot of information thrown at them, and me as the medical professional have the responsibility to help them understand their treatment options and make the best possible decision for them. So that is where catering to the care of the patient in a patient-centered fashion helps. And we can proudly say that we don't have to transfer patients out of here because we are able to provide the best possible care for the community. And I am very proud to say that I'm able to offer that to my patients. What impressed me the most is the ability of orthopedics to restore an active lifestyle on these patients with devastating injuries. So the most rewarding thing for me at work is the satisfaction and the smile I see in my patients.